you know, the gag is you still gotta do the other hand. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We have a super plain background right now. It's really not the point. The point is we're doing our nails today because I got this airbrush kit and I want to try it out. I haven't even taken the plastic off yet, okay? So these are the nails that I'm using today. I believe everything that I have I got from Amazon. All right, I'm just gonna fit my nails. I do a restorative serum and then I do the prep and dehydrate. Listen, what I'm not gonna do is file my natural nail anymore. I am not gonna do that. Okay, and then we're just gonna start sizing. Okay, I'll be right back. I think I might end up getting like a whiteboard or something. So when I'm filming nails, because my countertop is just too loud. Anyway, so I do have a new nail glue. We're gonna try this. Ew, this bottle is ugly, but this is the nail glue. It's supposed to be nail strengthener and glue. I do really like brush on glue though. I do. Okay, I don't know if that was too much or what. Okay, this one was kind of hard to do. Ooh, I don't know how this one's gonna work. Okay, that's better. Hold it. Come on. Oh. Okay, so this is the box with all the goodies. We have our little pamphlet of instructions, spoolies. I don't know what this is, a little metal contraption dropper. I assume these are like there's just two bases. This thingy. Ooh, the little actual airbrush part. A little charging cord. Whoa. This, yes, it's pink, and I don't do pink, but it is what it is. Something is in here. Oh. I wasn't gonna read the instructions, but it looks like I'm gonna need to. So, hold on. So I've officially, I've only played with this thing for a few minutes, and I've realized very quickly that, oh, this is crooked. Realized very quickly that, girl, you do not, and I repeat, do not know what you're doing. You know what? That's okay. I'm just putting on like my base color layer. Yeah, I'll come back and show you guys what the plan is basically, okay? Hopefully this just, yeah. So I basically just did, painted my nails with like this clear-ish nail polish. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's too bright, you can't see. Links will be in the description, okay? I have like this whole set, and all of the colors are really, really cute. This is what I'm gonna do. Lord, pray for me. Okay, so I can't figure out how to use this with polish, or maybe it just takes regular polish and not, because you have to like mix it with water. It's essentially just an air compressor. So what I planned on doing was adding the color and then, you know, creating, I don't know what kind of design, but creating a design with the airbrush. But the color is not mixing It's like separated from the water. I tried using it with slip solution. No. So I'm gonna have to keep practicing, but I still wanna do my nails now. So this is what I'm gonna do in the meantime. I'm just gonna put product directly onto my nail and then use the air compressor to blow it around. Hopefully. I don't hate this. Yeah, I'm scared for real. Okay, so I guess I have black, gray, and white. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna do it. So I'm just gonna take some color, like a little dot right there, and then blow it with the compressor. Ooh, I feel like I had something and then I just messed it up. It's kind of hard to control, but I think it's something. We're just gonna keep going. Okay, let me turn it on. I just used this straight out the pack. I feel like I'm gonna have to charge it in a second. Oh no, this one is too much. I'm just putting my glob. Let's do 2 globs on that one. Okay, so this is, it kind of looks crazy from right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna cure this a little bit, like 30 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to dab, please don't let me regret this, dab white on here. Oh yeah, I am regretting it. It's so cool when you're blowing it though. It looks like ripples of water. I don't like that. What I will do though is add some dots. I feel like, no, dots? Is that too much? Rhinestones. Glitter. I don't know what to do. Remember I was telling you guys about the pens that I ordered? Well, let's see if we can make some magic happen here. Okay, I'm liking outlines. So we're just gonna do that, okay? Now I have to be, whatever decision I made, I had to be very careful with because, you know, the gag is you still gotta do the other hand. Top coat, Beatles. And then I'll do my other hand off camera. Let's cure it. I'm gonna do 120 seconds and I'll be back. So we're back, and fun fact, I decided to do this one gray. So this one is black with white things, and this one is gonna be gray. I hope this is coming off cute on camera. In person, it looks really cute. This would be so cool if I actually knew what I was doing. Okay, here we go. Hand is cured. And now the hard part. Not gonna be able to do this. Oh my gosh. You guys, if you haven't learned by now, I'm obsessed with abstract nail designs because it gives you like the grace to kind of be messy. So I love that. And not be perfect. The stress. Okay, sorry guys, I had to move because it was just too dark right there. But my nails are done now. So this is what they look like. I think it's super cute. I wish this gray was like a little bit darker, but I'm not mad at it. These are my nails. I just need to put some cuticle oil on it. And they're pretty much done. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Hopefully they stay on with the nail glue that I tried. I have a UV nail glue that I like because it keeps your nail on, but the downside is it keeps your nail on. Like you can, I don't know how you're supposed to take that stuff off, but it's not good for my nails. Unless it pops off, it's just, I'm really happy with the results. Tell me what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching and enjoying this shit show. I told you it was gonna be a shit show. If you watched the vlog, I told you it was gonna be a shit show. If you know how to use that thing, just please tell me. Please tell me in the comments. I will gladly accept whatever instruction you provide, okay? Again, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.